Hey guys, it's Amy again. So as you know, Aberdeen is gearing up for the kiltkwalk, which is the 26-mile walk at the start of June, actually the 3rd of June. I will not be here, I'll be at Ed Sheeran. Sorry guys, I can't be here. I will be dealing with the blisters the week after, but hopefully with my advice, we are going to minimise those blisters. So here are some 3 top tips to be able to help you prepare yourself for this kiltkwalk. It's not about the after effects, it's about helping prevent injury. That's the aim of the game. If we can prevent stuff, it's going to be a lot better. So number 1, you want to spend good money on good shoes. Now, good money can be whatever you think good money is, but you need to make sure that you buy the shoes that fit you like a glove. Think Cinderella, they need to fit you perfect, absolutely perfect. So whether that's 30 quid or 130 quid, you need to make sure that they fit you well. So try on every boot in the store if you have to, but you need to find a shoe that fits you well. Number 2, once you've got the shoe, you want to break them in properly. So don't buy them on the Friday and wear them to the kiltwalk on the Sunday. That is crazy. You need to break them in. So you want to buy them even, I guess kind of now actually, definitely very soon, so that you can do a good few training walks in them, so that they are completely comfortable. They have almost molded and shaped to your foot, so they are going to feel perfect when you do the kiltwalk. And number 3, you need to make sure that you get some foot maintenance ahead of that. So things that you can be doing to look after your feet. Things like toughening up your skin. If you are prone to blisters, you're going to want to toughen your skin up. So even a little bit of surgical spirit, my surgical spirit on your feet, on those really kind of prominent bony areas, is really going to help toughen the skin up and should reduce the need for blistering, or the risk of blistering. Also wear some good socks. Even if you take a spare pair, change them out halfway through, it's really going to freshen the feet up. And of course my favourite, get some talc. I love talc. So a little bit of talc on your feet, even in training runs, it's going to help absorb moisture and it's going to work as an anti-friction to keep those blisters at bay. So with that in mind, go re-listen to this video, write it all down, head to the store, get some shoes, break them in, and do your foot maintenance. And with all that in mind, you should be perfect. Okay, see you soon, good luck, bye!